Hello and welcome. My name is Alec Burcham. I'm an industrial hygienist with WisCon. Today I'll be shedding light on the topic of GHS labeling. What is GHS? GHS is an acronym for the Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals. This globally harmonized hazard classification and compatible labeling system was created to provide the foundation for all countries to develop comprehensive national programs to ensure the safe use of chemicals. These new labels replace older HMIS labels. A GHS label has 6 required parts. They are as follows: product identifier, supplier identification, signal word, hazard statement, precautionary statement, and pictograms. As an example, here is a fictitious product by the name of Toxiflame. First, we're going to need to see some ID. The product identifier needs to have the chemical names, but could also include the CAS number or the UN number. In the case of Toxiflame here, the specific chemicals are X, Y, and Z, and Toxiflame is the product as a whole. The supplier identification should have the address and the phone number of the supplier. This could be an emergency phone number. Be sure that if you change suppliers, you change the supplier identification on the label. Signal words, hazard statements, and precautionary statements. Signal words communicate the relative level of severity. They are usually either danger for severe or warning for less severe. Hazard statements describe the nature and the degree of the hazard. In this example, the hazard statement follows the signal word, and together they read danger, toxic if swallowed, flammable, liquid, and vapor. The precautionary statement quickly details measures for the prevention, response, storage, and disposal. For Toxiflame it reads, do not eat, drink, or use tobacco when using this product. Wash hands thoroughly after handling. Keep container tightly closed. Keep away from heat, sparks, and open flame. No smoking. Wear protective gloves and eye/face protection. Ground container and receiving equipment. Use explosion-proof electrical equipment. Take precautionary measures against static discharge. Use only non-sparking tools. Store in a cool, well-ventilated place. If swallowed, immediately call a poison control center or doctor/physician. Rinse mouth. In case of fire, use water fog, dry chemical, CO2, or alcohol foam. Pictograms. These are the 9 GHS pictograms. These do not include transport pictograms. The 9 pictograms are as follows: flame over circle, flame, exploding bomb, skull and crossbones, corrosion, gas cylinder, health hazard, environment, and exclamation point. Pictograms quickly convey health, physical, and environmental hazards. Toxiflame has 2 pictograms. The first is flames, and the second is skull and crossbones. Here are some potential questions you may be asking. Why does a GHS label need all that information? Isn't it kind of repetitive? Yes, and it's meant to be. Hazard information is meant to be conveyed in multiple ways for quick and error-free use. Another question could be, where can I find all the hazards for a product? Well, all the hazards associated with a product can be found in the corresponding SDS. Here are some useful links that provide additional information regarding GHS.